Alright guys, on to day 2 of this vlog. I've had to pack the camper down because we're taking it to Chop and Lucy's, but I'm gonna go have a breakfast first at my local cafe. I'll take you guys there. I just want to show you guys quickly because this local cafe I've been going to, and it's such a killer spot. They have really good breakfast, so I'm gonna head there now. Alright, so I didn't show you guys breakfast because I was so hungry and I just ate up, but here down at Black Arts now, I've got to 1, get Lucy to have a look at the stickers, and 2, get Chop to have a look at finally getting a straight pipe on this Raptor. I asked him to do it ages ago and we've both just been so busy, so I'm gonna try and get that handled now as well. Here, remember, every $5 you spend in store gets yourself into the running to win that AU Falcon. I'm very happy to be giving away. So jump on the store, fink.com, check it out. We are back down here at Black Arts Factory. See it right there, the boys shop, boys and girls shop. But we're down here today to straight pipe the Ranger Raptor. So I've just like pulled the stock exhaust off. So stock exhaust here, humongous muffler. Goes from like 2.5 to a humongous muffler, then to 3-inch. And that is the standard exhaust. I just started the car. Literally, I think it might even be quieter than it was. So we'll get Chop to fab us up a nice straight pipe for it. Should be good. I only just remembered that I am, again, a terrible vlogger because I didn't do it before and after. But from what I understand with these, with straight piping the Raptors, it literally doesn't make any difference with noise, but I know that before it really didn't make any noise. It sounded exactly like it does now, so I will start it without an exhaust at all. So, well, it has like a dump pipe. I'm gonna fire it up. I'll put the, hold on. That's it. It literally, it doesn't make a noise. It's so quiet. So I'll rev it. I'll put you under here and I'll rev it. Nothing. What you do get noise from is this. So, yeah, you don't get anything as far as exhaust noise from a Ranger Raptor. So that's my before, and we'll go for an after soon.
God, I just welded that. Very hot. Oh, why the fuck my fingers feel like that?
Ew. Then we're gonna just do a dumpy.
Yeah. And maybe see about using this hanger as well. I don't know.
Yeah. It's his final fit.
Yeah. In my hand. Don't do shit up. Gas pump.
Sounds exactly the same.
Sounds exactly the same.
Sounds exactly the same. So there you go, guys. Go to the effort of putting exhaust on your Ranger Raptor. Does nothing but save you some weight, because there's the old muffler down there. It's absolutely ginormous. It had already started to crack. I'm only at like 48,000 Ks. And yeah, it's big and ugly. So yeah, full stainless exhaust on the Raptor now. It doesn't seem to sound any different. I'll see what it's like under load, but it does sound the same as it sounded before. Just obviously without the weight of a humongous muffler under the car, and one less thing to catch up while I'm out forward driving, because I do like to push this car quite a bit. Thank you to Black Arts.
Do your last.
Huh? Do the last bit of tightening? Alright. He's not a mechanic, he's a plumber. Alright, so a few days later, and I was editing up the video and forgot that I didn't even show you guys the finished product on my camper trailer. So, grand reveal. So, I actually had this roadworthied and gas certificate and stuff yesterday. So this is getting registered today, which I'm pretty pumped about. Everything checked out. The guy said it's amazing, like super good condition. I just need to get a screw for here, because I've taken, there was only one missing. I've taken another one out to try and like match it up, and no good now. They are heavy, eh? Really heavy wheels, the Equips. So SSRs are light in comparison. Where's the offset at? Oh, we're still good. Ooh boy, they look pretty gangster. So I don't know exactly what offset those are.
10 mil different.
10 mil?
Yeah.
So slip on if I want to be like a spicy boy.
Yeah.
Alternatively, I can run a massive tire on these. So just don't. So width wise,
So you can
do you want to compare that to this width? Yeah. Oh yeah, so these, so they must be 11 and these are 11 and a half. I reckon they're 10 and a half and these are 11 and a half.
Possibly, yeah.
Oh, let's lie it down. Check from the ground to the dish. Oh, actually that's a, yeah, there's probably 5 mil. There's probably about 5 in it, yeah?
Yeah.
So, touch a teeny weeny bit wider. Probably leave them bolted on, to be fair. The car will definitely be easier to push around on lighter wheels, and also less tyre. Well, actually, are they 265s?
I don't know. Can't tell.
Actually, I'll roll
Check the inside.
this one. Can't tell because the sidewall's all worn off. 245s these are, so definitely less. They were 265 those there. So let's quickly get this back on charge because my camera's a little bit flat. Yeah, if you're eagle-eyed, you'll see we've got a bunch more of the cars here at the house. I've got a cool video coming up for you guys really soon. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this one. It's just short. Yeah, it's been really busy, guys. Remember, jump in the store. Every $5 spent goes in the running to win the Falcon. Sorry, it's a long morning, but yeah, peace out, guys. Stay positive, and I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog.